Sorties YouTube. So we back on the camera with another banger. Today I woke up, I turned on the car, and the car was wilding. Like the check engine light came on, shaking like, yo, it was wilding. Like even now you can feel it like going like this and it's hesitating. It sounds dumb as hell. It made the drivetrain malfunction light come on, and basically that light just means that they're cutting the boost so you can't go as fast. It limits the car. And with the car misfiring, it's just shaking like this. So I don't know what's the problem. I'm hoping that it's not an injector, because in these cars, misfires are your worst enemy, bro. This N63 engine, oh my god, I went through some I went through some things with misfires in this car, bro. Like I done did the valve seal, I changed that. I done changed the turbos, I done changed gasket heads, I done changed it all because of misfire. I've done changed all my injectors. Mind you, each injector is some money, bro. Each injector is some cash. Which is like, I think it's like, how much I paid? I paid like 7 something an injector, bro. Like, and it's 8 injectors in the car. Granted, it's 8 injectors in the car, bro. So just do the math, bro. Like, me just chill, bro. But this misfire, I'm not gonna lie though, the car hasn't given me no problems in a long time. But you know what I've noticed about this car itself? This car really only gives problems in the winter time. Once it's hot outside, summertime, it don't really give me no engine problems like that. But the misfires mostly really happen when it's cold. So I don't know why the hell it's misfiring today. But I feel like it has something to do with that day. I think it was like 2 videos ago when I said I woke up and I felt a little shake in the car. And then the mechanic gonna tell me that it's just oil that the car needed. And then the light went away. And I believed him because the light went away. But I'm not gonna lie, in my soul, bro, I knew it wasn't no damn oil, bro. But you feel me? I'm like, yeah, you know what he's saying. You feel me? Da-da-da-da. So, yes, sir. Drivetrain malfunction. You are a bait. And there goes the check engine light. Drivetrain malfunction. So now with this misfire, the engine itself, one of the cylinders isn't firing regularly like how the other ones are. That's what a misfire is. So the drivetrain malfunction light, it's basically just telling you that they're gonna cut the boost on your car. Like your car can still go, but they're not gonna allow you to drive as good as you want. And plus they're gonna take it automatically out of sport or comfort or whatever you had it in and leave you in normal mode. That's what BMW does. I guess that's a fail-safe for their cars when it's not running how it should be. And they're cutting the boost so you don't push the engine as much as you usually would. They want you to drive moderately until you can get, basically as it says, drive moderately until you can get your car checked out. So it's like a good fail-safe in a sense, because you can't force the issue. Because I know myself, I would force the issue if I had that car. Well, I would force the issue if my car needed maintenance, but I just wanted to go somewhere first. So they basically trying to protect your car for you. So I do bangs with BMW for this, but at the same time, stop cutting my boost, bro. I need my power. Hopefully we're gonna see when we get there. All right, I'm gonna hit y'all. I just left the mechanic. What it's looking like, it's a dead misfire. When they say dead misfire or steady misfire, that means like it's the same cylinder, that it's not jumping from one to one to one. So more than likely, whenever with these, I feel like it's the coil pack and the spark plugs, and the mechanic, he said it as well, because I thought that from jump. Mind you, when I first brought it, this is why you can't listen to mechanics. They will mess your car up, bro. I said it. I'm like, yo, this car, I felt something. I felt a little tremble. Like I felt the engine jump, you feel me? I know my car, bro. When you have a car and you drive your vehicle, bro, you know your car when something is wrong, you feel me? So right now, it's just shaking like this. Like the damn phone, you can see it's shaking, bro, because the whole V is misfiring. Like once the engine is misfiring, it's the whole John now. Your whole skiggity messed up, bro. Like once your engine is misfiring, the whole thing is, like your whole car is like this, bro. And if it's annoying, you can't even go over 20, you feel me? Well, you can, but you're forcing it. You don't want to force your car. So this is why you should listen to your mind when you feel like something is wrong with your car. Because if I would have listened to my mind and thoroughly checked out the car, I wouldn't have been going through this, because it wouldn't have got as far as a misfire. So it's not always good just to listen to your mechanic. Sometimes it's good to take your own advice and do your thorough research, bro. Because this is dumbness, bro. Now I got to do the whole coil pack and my spark plugs for what? I think this is crazy. All right, so you got all the coils, you feel me? Once you have a problem, you got to change all of them. Got all 8 spark plugs, you feel me? These is good. a little expensive, but you feel me? Once you have the right spot to get them from, it'd be cool. Let me show y'all like a 1, 2 of how it look. And I'm doing it while I'm at the light. Sheesh. Look at that, check engine light still on. Still no boost. Still tight. It's crazy. I don't know what to say. We're gonna rock it out. It's another day right now. Early morning, dropping off the car at the mechanic. There we go. So yeah, that's how the coil John look. Feel me? Look like a little glizzy. Pow, pow, pow. Stop playing. Little gliznina. Should look like a little, oh, about to miss the light playing with the glizzy. You feel me? This John look like a little glizzy. Hold that. Where y'all chop ball? By 8 of them skiggities, 4 Sparkies, 4 Kyles. 4 more Sparkies, 4 coils over here, you feel me? Change all 8 of them Johns one time, 8-cylinder valve. Alright, so the car is driving amazing now. Like, it just needed that little tune-up, and now it's driving like a dream. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I was skeptical if, hold on, speed camera. I was skeptical if that was actually gonna work, but it actually did. So, sheesh. Maybe it just needed some coils and spark plugs. You never know sometimes. I want to see yourself. I finally went and bought the right spark plugs, and this is why I did not want to buy the right spark plugs. That shit say $214, and that's after boy gave me his discount, because I think it was like $250 or $240 before that. Sheesh, for 8 spark plugs. Mind you, I didn't even get the coils. It's just for spark plugs, my boy. I didn't think giving me this little cute bag was gonna make me happy. I just spent $2 something on damn spark plugs. I hate them.